Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to customize iPhone home screen. The first thing you can do is press down on the home screen. You can decide to remove widgets, add apps by tapping on the sign here to delete them from the home screen. You can also decide to add to them. Like if you want to add to the home screen, tap on this plus icon up here where you can add a lot of widgets to your home screen. So apart from that, you can also decide to change the wallpaper of your home screen by pulling from, so you pull from the top here, you have access to the wallpaper. So press down on it and then tap on customize, so you can see home screen customize the wallpaper. So you can decide to change the color, the gradient, use a photo. You can pick from your album, live photo, portrait, board screenshots. You can import and the rest of them. So, and you can even add effects to the photo you're using. So you can add effects to it also if you want. It all depends on you. So it's as simple as that. That is how to customize your home screen wallpaper and every other thing has to do with your home screen. It's as simple as that. Hope you found it really helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.